Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JoyT5. Today we're going to do a quick video about some custom attachments that we received from the factories we work with. Today we have some rotating grapples for machines from 10-ton excavator, 20-ton excavator, and then some smaller rake and ripper. Over here, we have a rotating grapple for the 20-ton excavator. Again, fully upgraded with replaceable teeth. This grapple has a 4-hose connection without diverter valve. The hoses can be found inside there. Check out the massive cylinders. This grapple is huge. It's weighing almost 4,000 pounds. Now you can see a bolt-on plate on the top of the grapple. This is because the customer requested for the flat top, as they will be welding on the ears themselves. And the plate is bolt-on because you will need access to the rotating motor. And this is to simplify it. Here's a close-up of a custom rake and ripper. Again, we see replaceable teeth. And a double pin connector. Again, custom made as per the drawings, which were approved by the customer. Here's a close-up of the rotating grapple for the 10-ton excavator. As you see, we have replaceable teeth. This excavator comes with a 2-hose connection and a diverter valve. So only one hydraulic circuit is needed to control it. Here are cylinders. Here's the diverter valve. It has 2 pins with the spacing as per customer specification to make sure perfect fitment for customer's machine. Here's a close-up on the rotation motor. The bearing is enclosed and comes with the grease nipples. All the moving points here is lubricatable. Here's a close-up of the second cylinder. And here's a close-up of the welds. We hope that you found this video useful. If you're going to be in need of any custom attachments for excavators or skid steers that weigh from 1 ton up to 80 tons, give us a call or visit JoyT5.com. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.